Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's your boy Professor Crypto. Got another hot crypto class for you guys today. This one's on fire. You guys already know. Anything will be on the channel. It's got that heat, got that potential, and it definitely should be watched. This one is no different, guys. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Class is now in session. This one is called POLONIEX. Guys, the one, the only POLONIEX exchange. If you haven't already heard the recent news, POLONIEX's new TRON-powered IEO platform is moving the exchange closer to Justin Sun's orbit, or so this CoinDesk article says. Let's actually run through what they're saying on POLONIEX's website, all of the details regarding this new program that they have. You will only be able to purchase JST using TRX. The TRX price will be set prior to the sale start time. The general round countdown is a little over 25 days. 1 JST equals 0.00202 USD. Start time May 5th, 2 p.m. UTC. Total supply 396 million JST. Requirements for participating. All users must have a level 2 verified POLONIEX account. Verify your identity with this link here, guys. Launch-based program is not available to any person who is a resident, organized, or located in the United States or any country or territory subject to the OFAC Comprehensive Sanctions Program and certain other jurisdictions as determined from time to time. Make sure you follow the requirements, guys. JUST aims to build a fair, decentralized financial system that provides stablecoin lending and governance mechanisms for users around the world. JUST is a two-token system. The first token, USDJ, is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar at a 1-to-1 ratio and is generated by collateralizing TRX via JUST's CDP portal. JST, the second token, can be used for paying interest, platform maintenance, participating in governance through voting, and other activities on the JUST platform. JUST allows all transactions, collateralization, and governance to be transparently executed on chain. JUST is built on the TRON Network, the largest decentralized application ecosystem, and aims to provide a set of easy to use and transparent financial services for all of its members. Couple points here, guys. JUST is a decentralized stablecoin project built on the TRON Network. Users can generate the stablecoin USDJ by depositing an over-collateralized set of TRX assets. The project is governed by all JUST community members based on the number of JST that they hold. Proposals for the project are voted on and determined by all stakeholders. Some key features: a stablecoin that is over-collateralized by asset reserves to help maintain price stability. Fast, efficient, and low-fee stablecoin transfers enables anyone to create a free account and generate USDJ using JUST smart contract. Anyone holding JST can participate in the governance or the USDJ system. Access to the thriving TRON ecosystem and its many decentralized applications. Some token economics, guys. As I mentioned, the start time is May 5th, 2020. The hard cap is 799,920 US dollars. Total token supply is 9.9 billion JST. Initial circulating supply 396 million. Token public sale allocation is 4%. Public sale vesting period is no lockup. POLONIEX launch-based allocation 100% of public sale allocation. The individual cap 5,000 USD and the minimum purchase amount is 50,000 JST. The seed sale token price 1 JST equals 0.003 USD. The seed sale allocation 11%. Seed sale date completed was February 2020 and the proceeds from the sale was a little over 3 million USD. Token type, it's on the TRC20 blockchain, which is the TRON blockchain, and token distribution is within 15 days of the token sale end. The beautiful pie chart here, we can see the seed sale, as I mentioned, 11%, public sale 4%, strategic partnerships 26%, JUST ecosystem 30%, airdrops 10%, and the team 19%. Solid breakdown. Moving on to the CoinDesk article, as I mentioned, the title is POLONIEX's new TRON-powered IEO platform moves exchange closer to Justin Sun's orbit. In this article, they go on to explain that the Seychelles-based POLONIEX exchange was acquired by a group of investors, including Justin Sun, in 2019. The new IEO platform, dubbed the Launchbase, would serve as a springboard to help quality blockchain projects grow and further develop their ecosystem. The IEO platform, together with the launch partner TRON, will promote user adoption through distributing tokens and professional consultation. Justin Sun congratulated POLONIEX, saying huge congratulations on launching POLONIEX Launchbase, a world-leading token sale platform. As POLONIEX's strategic partner, the TRON Foundation and I will fully support the launch-based platform and its future development. Similar to initial coin offerings, an IEO is a crowdfunding tool for cryptocurrency startups, with an exchange acting as a trusted broker offering the token sale. The exchange also provides a proprietary token to execute the sale, in this case TRX. The article also goes on to explain that POLONIEX used to be one of the world's largest exchanges on the block. At one point, 50% of all crypto payments went through POLONIEX servers. This continued even after Payments App Circle bought the exchange for a reported $400 million. By the time the exchange spun out again, it only made up 1% of the total market volume. Although Sun first denied reports that he was involved in the investment group that purchased POLONIEX last year, he confirmed it later at an event live streamed on Twitter. It's unclear who else was in the investment group or how much sway the 29-year-old Sun has within it. The next article I have here, guys, is from Crypto Daily. The title of this article is IEO Industry Being Taken Over by POLONIEX with TRX Powered Platform. This article goes into great detail similar to the CoinDesk article, outlining the fact that POLONIEX was purchased, as well as his endeavor to create the JUST IEO platform. For the projects looking to conduct their offerings on POLONIEX's launch-based platform, they're going to be faced with the backlash of issuing tokens in the exchange for the TRX coin. Furthermore, it would be considered a first-come, first-served basis. The platform has said that the launch base was designed in order to help quality blockchain projects further develop and grow in the ecosystem. They further said that it will offer professional advice and guidance to help in partner projects. On top of this, these partner projects will be subject to the eligibility and screening requirements, with entities located in specific jurisdictions may not be eligible due to considerations of regulation. Platforms stated in more details in regards to this new project will be disclosed over the next week. Seen as the rival to initial coin offerings, initial exchange offerings are what the issuing platform makes considerations such as marketing, regulation, and markets, making in a platform for a significant share of distribution of a specific token. Last article I want to show you guys is on medium.com. Title is POLONIEX is releasing a token launching platform Launchbase. As we know with Medium, guys, these articles are usually well written. This one is no different. They cover the great detail in which Launchbase is going to be helping users, and all of the previous information I mentioned on POLONIEX's website regarding the JST token in relation to USDJ and TRX. On Twitter, we can see Justin Sun's tweet, which was on April 5th, saying huge congrats on launching POLONIEX Launchbase, a world-leading token sale platform. As POLONIEX's strategic partner, TRON Foundation and I will fully support the Launchbase platform and its future development. After a first look at POLONIEX and the new Launchbase platform, I gotta say this looks like it's gonna be revolutionary for initial exchange offerings, guys. This whole ecosystem that they've created from nothing is definitely gonna be changing the game and innovating investments for users. Shout out to all my students, guys. I love you. Shout out to the Crypto Class Gang. Shout out to the Lambo Gang. Shout out to the Whale Gang. Shout out to the Hodl Gang. Thank you for always your continued support, guys. I really appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that like button for me and drop a comment in the comment section below. Please remember, guys, we are an impartial channel, so whether your opinion is negative or positive, we'd be more than happy to hear it. That being said, class is now dismissed. We'll see you in our next video. Professor Crypto out.